The topic is for today, right?
Yes.
Any area of
Any idea what do you want to do in your life 10 years later? Okay, 10 years later, I will do a lot of businesses in Indonesia. For example, open a lot of markets in Indonesia, open businesses, and recruit all businessmen across Indonesia to work with me and build this country out of many, poverty, and then increase wealth of Indonesian people and the prosperity of Indonesian people. And then I will try to stop importing a lot of products from abroad, from because Indonesia has many resources to build themselves, and also Indonesian people are very smart to work like other people across the world. So we don't need people help in terms of resources and also skill, because we are Indonesian people like to we can advance because we have to be less dependent on other countries. For example, other countries like China and the United States, because we should be reliable and also trustworthy, and also confident about our confidence and our spirit, and we should not as Indonesian people in the future. I will try also to be independent of many dependence to other countries. In the future, I also like to improve Indonesian people to speak English more, because Indonesian people like to learn many languages. For example, we have a lot of cultures in Indonesia. We have the spirit to learn many languages, but we need enough boost and also support by the government. That's why I will try in the future, 10 years later, to boost many youngsters Indonesian spirit to be able to speak in English. That's all.